Hey, we get to the last part, and this is a proofreading part. Basically, there is one mistake in each line, so some of you started off actually misunderstanding the instructions, thinking that across means that that line does not contain any mistake. I'm sorry, lads, you have to read the instructions carefully. So basically, there are two kinds of problems, one with wrong words, one with extra words. So basically, you underline the wrong parts and either you change it to another word or you put a cross there, meaning that word is not needed. Take a look at this one. Number one here, became, and if you spot that, it's to, because after to, become the final. Okay? And I'm also happy that many of you have spotted this one. Important not of you, of course, it's wrong. It's important for you. And then number three, also a good sign that you've learned this last bit of the grammar item well. Advise him don't to spend wrong, not to spend. And then number four then. When he began to play the sports, he had a special power which he didn't know before, blah, blah, blah. Now, first off, we take a look at number four. Began to play the sports. Now, we don't really get any information about which sports Ron is going to play there. So, the word "the" is redundant. Okay? And here, which he didn't know it before, he could jump very high. Now, only very, very, very few of you got this. I think just one or two. And the problem is with this relative clause, a special power which he didn't know. This "it" means the special power. So it is a relative clause, so with which, and so we don't need the repeated meaning there, which he didn't know before. So this one, of course, you don't cross it out here, you underline it and cross it here. Number six, I can become a great basketball player if I will jump high. Now, I'm happy that many of you have spotted this problem here. We don't say if I will. Usually after if, we use some present tense, at least in that half part of the sentence. So this one, either you change it to can, or you can just cross it out, if I jump high. Okay. Number seven, many of you cross out the word for. Well, I think that the sentence is still okay without the word for, so you're not completely wrong. But here we should deal with something even more serious, and that is forgetting the S here, 6 hours a day. Okay? And in the final bit here, the best basketball player. So you cannot just say a basketball player, because it's the best, the best. So here are the answers of section 7 and the final part of the uniform test. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.